Hey there, future entrepreneurs! Today, I'm thrilled to guide you through the process of building a successful Shopify dropshipping website. This step-by-step tutorial is designed to help you create a high-converting store that stands out in the competitive e-commerce landscape. 1. Understanding funnels and conversions. Definition of funnels. Let's start by understanding the concept of funnels. A roadmap that guides your customer from the first interaction to checkout. Minimizing clicks for checkout. Discover techniques to streamline the customer journey, ensuring a short and effective path to purchase. 2. Designing a calculated store. Importance of calculated design. Design isn't just about looks, it's strategic. Learn how each element contributes to a purposeful and effective design. Key store elements overview. We'll dissect the crucial elements shaping your store from top to bottom, ensuring a cohesive and engaging layout. 3. Crafting homepage features. Main offer banner. Grab attention with a compelling main offer banner, enticing deals that set the tone for your entire store. Trust building elements. Build trust with transparent elements like shipping information and order tracking, establishing reliability from the first glance. Immediate display. Skip the clutter and immediately showcase your logo and products for a powerful and impactful first impression. 4. Perfecting product presentation. Ka-ching quantity bundles. Introduce pricing techniques like quantity bundles to entice customers and encourage larger purchases. Hidden offers and benefits. Reveal hidden offers strategically, emphasizing the key benefits of your products to boost conversions. 5. Building trust and convincing customers. Detailed product description. Craft compelling product narratives with detailed descriptions, focusing on unique benefits to build trust. Reviews and testimonials. Leverage customer satisfaction by incorporating real reviews and testimonials to enhance credibility. Unique touch customer count. Add a unique touch by displaying the count of satisfied customers, creating credibility and confidence. 6. Optimizing product page details. Full product description. Dive into the product page, providing a detailed description for customers seeking in-depth details. Addressing potential objections. Proactively address customer concerns to ensure a smooth journey from interest to purchase. Inclusion of FAQs. Incorporate FAQs for clarity, answering common questions to enhance customer understanding. 7. Customization. Customization. Personalize your store for a unique touch, ensuring it aligns seamlessly with your brand identity. As you embark on creating your Shopify dropshipping website, remember these steps. Stay informed, adapt, and watch your store thrive in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Best of luck on your journey to success.